one more question to go. This one's also about Elon Musk. He's still going 205 miles per hour, right? But this time we're not converting it to another rate. This time we're taking a rate. Let me write this down here. Rate equals 205 miles per hour. And we have a distance of 3/4 of a mile. And the question is, what is the time? And that's in seconds. So first I recommend you unpack all of that data. And when you unpack it, make sure you're unpacking the units, because I can see I have a little problem here. The rate was given in miles per hour, but the time was asked for in seconds. When I start doing calculations with this rate, I'm going to get an answer in hours. And that's okay. As long as I know that it's in hours, then I can convert it to seconds. But we're going to make sure to do that. In order to solve for t, I need a formula. I call it the DIRT formula. Distance equals rate times time. And I need to solve for t, so what I really want is distance divided by rate. And that will give my answer. But remember, when I do it right away, I'm going to end up with an answer in hours. So take your calculator. I would use 0.75. I know that 3/4 is 0.75, and I find that easier to type into the calculator. 0.75 divided by 205. And that's going to be 0.00365, right? 205, that's the denominator. And there are a lot more, and remember that was hours. Now, we want to change the hours to the seconds. Do not clear your calculator screen. You can make a conversion factor if you want to, if you're very confident, as I am, that we're going to multiply by 3,600 to go from hours to seconds, right? So we're going to multiply by that number again, 3,600. And I don't have to retype the number because I was careful to keep it on my screen. All right, so I just use that answer button, and I'm getting 13.17. And now we're in seconds. And so the last step is just to make sure that you check the rounding. Round your answer to the nearest second. That means the whole number here. It'll be 13. Since this is a 1 after the decimal place, I do not need to round up, so I'm just going to say 13.